Okay, just wanted to do a quick video of the strips here and how they work. Just have to bend down the G10 a little bit right here. It's a little bit high, but it is nice and flush. Alright, so here's the flaps. And even when the flaps are down, this here can't lift up and flap in the breeze because the wires go into the guide tubes here in the flaps. So it keeps it just off, but it doesn't allow it to flap around. And then here's the ailerons. See this strip here moves quite a bit more with the ailerons because it's got to go up and down. But when the ailerons like this, so if I was rolling towards the right, you can see this still can't come up. I'm just gonna have to just worm this up right here and just bend the strip down because I can see the gap is a little bit off right here. So I'll just bend the G10. Now if I went a long ways, obviously I would never have that much throw, but you can start to see the guide tubes where these wires are going into the ailerons. But I don't think that it takes much travel here. I think it's only like something like what, half an inch? Okay, I'll do the other side now.